The best toasties in Victoria.
Oh,
Tim's Toasties.
Stop it.
No, they really are that good.
Justine, I couldn't come on your show and not make a toastie, so I'm pulling out the big guns today. This is my tuna melt toastie.
Yes, my favourite type of toastie.
Yeah, I love to embrace the tin tuna.
Me too.
But we're packing so much flavour into it.
All right.
Let's do it.
Yes.
So for me, I want you to chop up some dill and some chives, getting lots of fresh herbs into our toastie as well. And the dill pairs really well with the tuna as well.
Sounds good.
That'd be fantastic.
I'll get onto that.
And I've got a whole tin of tuna that we've just drained, and that's just going to go straight into our bowl.
It's one of those things that you're at home, you're, oh, what should I have for lunch? Try to work out something, open the cupboard, and there's that wonderful can of tuna.
Yes.
That saves the day again, right?
I've got tuna, I've got bread, I've got cheese, where we can do something with this. We can work on that.
Absolutely. I love a toastie that much that I follow you religiously and watch what next toastie combination you're going to come up with.
Well, that's become my motto. I think you're only bound by your own imagination in what can go between two pieces of sourdough. So I'm always trying to come up with new and creative flavours.
Yes. And I love that we can find you at markets. I mean, you're all over the place.
All over the shop.
But the markets are awesome because I find on a cold winter's day, I've got a coffee in one hand and then, like, what's that smell? Melted cheese on a toast, and it's you.
And especially, I'm from Ballarat, and it does get very, very cold in the winter. Yes. So a nice toastie with a nice cup of hot soup.
Heaven.
It's
Heaven.
great.
Yep.
So in here we've got the tuna, the creme fraiche, some kewpie mayo, and some Dijon mustard. Let's go in with those beautiful dill and chives.
Okay.
We want to get some finely diced red onion.
Yep.
I love red onion in a tuna melt toastie. Yep. And I've got some baby capers here that I'm just going to run my knife through as well. When I do this one at the market, I call it the Tina tuna. And after Tina Turner, the Tina tuna.
That's what all of your toasties have different names of singers? Or?
Yeah, well, I love my music and my movies, so they're all around, have pop culture sort of references, because then it helps for the names to stick in people's minds as well.
So true.
It's
You've
great.
got another one, it's like, was it Dr. Pepper?
Yeah, the Forrest Gump.
The Forrest Gump.
Because it's got Dr. Pepper in it.
Yeah,
Dr. Pepper pulled beef.
What a great one that is. See, I remember Dr. Pepper. I almost was there.
All right, some salt and pepper. We've got that red onion in there.
Yep.
Then we just want a bit of citrus. Okay, so we're going to go with some lemon zest and also the juice of half of the lemon, if that's all right, Justine.
Absolutely.
That'd be fantastic. I'm going to start to heat up our pan. Obviously, at the farmers markets, I use big industrial sandwich presses, but if I'm just doing a toastie for myself at home, always go with the frying pan.
And slowly bring up the heat.
It makes such a difference.
It's very different to if you want to turn the heat on really high, add your toastie, what's going to happen is it's going to be really dark on the outside and then it won't cook the inside properly.
Yeah.
So you've got to be patient. Just slowly heat up that toastie.
Just melting that butter in there.
Yep.
We've got some gorgeous sourdough here. Let's get a couple of nice big slices from the middle.
Yep.
We've got this chilli cheese.
Yes.
If you could grate a bit of that for me, I'm going to start giving our tuna mix a really good mix just to combine all those gorgeous flavours. Look at that colour. Beautiful. If you want to pile that up onto this bit of bread, that would be fantastic.
Because there's an art to building a toastie.
We might go 2 layers of cheese, so one and then one on the top as well.
Extra cheese.
Yeah.
There we go.
Now this will probably do at least 2, maybe 4 toasties.
Yeah.
We'll get
Well,
it.
I like to make a big batch of that and then make a toastie one day. Tomorrow lunch is ready. All you have to do is slice your toast, pop it in the pan.
That's right. You could even just have this with crackers.
Yes.
For a little snack. Okay, more cheese.
Okay.
Beautiful. On goes the lid. Give it a gentle press. And then our pan has heated. That butter has melted. In we go. All right, this will just cook for a few minutes either side till it's beautiful and golden and all that cheese is ooey and gooey and delicious.
Ooey and gooey.
Ooey and gooey.
Sounds good.
All right, Justine, beautiful, golden and crunchy. This is what we want. Let's bring it out.
Oh.
Let's slice in half and have a look.
Okay. Ah, that sound. Oh, piping hot.
That's what you want to see.
Melted cheese.
All right, onto our little retro American diner basket
I like
here.
that.
We'll make a proud stack.
That's why you want that thick toast. You've got a huge toast.
I know, and I always like to finish with some salt flakes on top. It just helps to
Awesome.
bring out the flavour.
Sure
of
does.
everything. All right, you go. Can you get your mouth around?
I know, it's just so big. I don't squish it.
All right, let's do it. Toasties till I die.
They're good for the soul. They're good for the soul. That is one serious tuna melt. It's the crunch of that bread. It's fluffy inside. It's perfectly cooked. The cheese is melted into that tuna. And I love the herbs and onion.
Yeah, and you get that beautiful, consistent golden crunch
Yeah.
from using a good quality frying pan.
You nailed it.
Ultimate tuna toastie.
Cheers, Tim.
Cheers.
Cheers.